Hey everyone, and welcome to this month's update. So I'm sure you've all heard about the most recent SSLVPN security incident, and this is used for remote access. While this is the most recent incident, it's not the first, as we've seen these throughout other vendors over the last couple years. SSLVPN used to be considered a secure remote access connection, but is no longer really recommended as security has changed, technology has changed, the bad actors have changed. So there are new recommended options, which I'm sure you've heard about, such as ZTNA or Zero Trust. Please take a look at some of our blogs that are explaining a little bit more detail on what it is, why you need it, and how it can help protect your organization. The next thing, and I'm pretty sure I promised not to bring this up again, so I'm sorry, but Windows 10 was end of life as of October 14th. So it's no longer being patched, secured, or updated by Microsoft, which makes it a security concern for your company. If you have compliance, you're no longer under compliance. So please reach out if you have any questions about what options you have to replace or upgrade those Windows 10 computers, and we can find the best solution for you. I hope everybody has a great day, and I hope everybody has a great Halloween.